Once all the papers are signed and you're given the keys, you are officially a homeowner. Congratulations! While the paperwork and process may be behind you, there are still some important things to keep in mind for the future, especially if you're a first-time homeowner. To help you get started, let's talk about 3 of the most important things you'll want to remember. First, maintenance and upkeep of your new home. Second, tax incentives and benefits of being a homeowner. And third, the importance of being prepared financially when the unexpected happens. Going from renting to owning is a big step and can take a while to get used to. Remember, there is no property manager to call when something breaks. This home is now your responsibility. We recommend instilling some great habits from day one that will help you care for your new home and will make a huge difference in the long run. Basic habits of maintenance and caring can help to prevent costly problems in the long run and keep your house looking great. The best way to keep your home functioning efficiently is to have a plan up front. This plan should include cleaning as well as maintenance of every aspect of your home, from your countertops to your HVAC. Regardless if your house is a new build or an older home, there are a few maintenance checks you should perform periodically to get the most out of your appliances and home products. Let's start with the inside. Your plumbing is the lifeline of your home. Take care of dripping faucets and check for signs of leakage anywhere pipes run or water can accumulate, especially in bathrooms and the kitchen. Water can create a lot of damage fast and can be very costly. You'll want to keep the air in your home clean and well circulated by changing or cleaning your filters and vents on a regular basis. This also helps your air conditioning and heating equipment function properly. Make sure you follow the recommended dates for maintenance on these systems. You can also greatly extend the lifespan of your basic home appliances like your fridge, stove and oven, dishwasher, and more with simple cleaning, maintenance, and tune-ups when needed. If you feel a draft or see light peeking through a door or other areas of your home, taking the time to seal it properly will keep the temperature better regulated and you more comfortable. And don't forget the outside of the home. It's important to clean rain gutters and drain pipes regularly to help prevent any water from backing up and leaking into your home or damaging the foundation. Keep tree branches trimmed and away from your house. Branches can damage your exterior and roof, and leaves can clog your gutters. And of course, vacuum and dust your home to keep it looking great. A clean house is great to come home to. It's all about pride of ownership. In addition to maintaining your home, you'll want to prepare for the financial commitments that come with home ownership. The best way to help prepare for unexpected costs is to keep a nest egg of at least 3 months' bills set aside. This can help you handle any unexpected but inevitable expenses. Of course, there are some big purchases you may encounter early, like repairs or renovations to personalize your home and ensure it matches your style. Other expenses to anticipate are upgrading or purchasing new furniture and appliances. And if you upgraded the size of your house, other bills like utilities, HOA fees, and taxes will probably increase too. So make sure you budget for those too. In addition to renovations, repairs, and other expenses, you'll need to plan for taxes. While buying a home can be expensive, there are some great tax incentives for VA home loans. A major advantage of the VA loan is that there are some pretty significant tax deductions that homeowners can take advantage of. The most powerful include mortgage interest, discount points, funding fees, origination fees, property taxes, expenses incurred from moving, and more. Last but not least, it's important to remember that life happens. And even if you plan to be financially secure after purchasing a home, an emergency or change in life can turn an otherwise stable situation into a dire one. If you find yourself facing financial hardship and are in need of some cash, you may want to consider the VA Cash Out Refinance. This loan allows veterans and service members the ability to tap into the equity in their home and pull out cash to use at their disposal. Buying a house is a big financial decision, and the best way to protect yourself is to build a safety net for the expenses that come after. This will not only give you a sense of security, but it will help you to set you and your family up for a successful and comfortable move. Well, that concludes this video. If you have any more questions about life as a homeowner, give us a call at the number shown above or by clicking the Apply button, and one of our specialists will get in touch with you.